Paytm, Policy Bazaar. All of them are pulling up. Let's pull up that space. Arpit, the new age tech space, I think that's garnering traction today. Zomato, Paytm, Policy Bazaar, delivery also, all upwards of 2.5 to even 4% higher in state. How would you look at them?
Sakshi, if we see overall, all this space has seen a quite kind of a decent correction in last couple of months. If you talk about overall within this space, Zomato is has relatively outperformed compared to the other trade setups. So if you look at the chart setup of Zomato, the major support is around 197, 198, where the rally started way back in 6 months back from 200 to almost 300 levels, and then the stock is back with major support zone. So on the daily scale, the stock has negative formation lower highs after 3 sessions. Strong bullish candle reversing from its support zone. RSI, it's on the verge of the positive crossover. So I think within this new age company, that Zomato would be a preferred bet at current levels because it is near its support zone and the risk reward is quite favorable. Slowly, steadily, the stock can head back towards 215, 220 levels with a major support of 200. So Zomato would be a preferred pick within this space.
Zomato will be a preferred pick within this space. We were discussing with Arpit on the new age tech stocks. On Zomato, he said that he still finds risk reward favorable and he's betting big on Zomato there. There's been a recovery from about 200, 201 odd levels back to 208 odd levels now on Zomato today. But then there is this another news that came in last night and we need to keep an eye out on that too. Zomato is facing insolvency plea from uniform supplier over non-payment of dues. And this is Nona Lifestyle, which is a B2B apparel manufacturer, which has moved NCLT to initiate corporate insolvency resolution process against Zomato for alleged non-payment of dues. And the company has claimed that the food delivery giant owes it about 1.65 crores for the uniforms worn by the delivery partners and other apparel as well. How significant is this news story, and do you think one should be really looking at this when one has a long-term investment view as far as Zomato is concerned?
Two ways again, as a long-term investors, again such kind of news will be sentimentally impacting the price, and obviously that would be an opportunity for a long-term investors to buy Zomato because the industry is growing very fast. I think it's growing almost 30 to 40% month on month. And the habit of people going to have the Zomato order every day is increasing day by day. So I think business-wise very positive, industry-wise very positive. Such news will give you opportunities. But for me, if I would like to advise people, buy Zomato as well as Swiggy, both. I think the sector will give you good boost for at least 2 to 3 years from current levels. But there may be some kind of dips with respect to valuations, with respect to their earnings, and with respect to news like this, with respect to getting into NCLTs. So that kind of news will be coming unless within a shorter period of time.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.